us again.
Back at you with another video. So today
we're gonna do these shoes.
Well, today we're doing another unboxing, except it's not shoes. What is it, H? Tell them what it is.
It's a bag.
Hey, because we buy bags around here. Go to them?
Yes.
Alright, so let me talk a little bit about the bag first, because we give them all types of details. Y'all know I'm a packaging stickler.
So on the front we have the Dior right here, the silver Dior.
Oh, okay. Silver,
the,
metallic,
and
silver.
we got the blue alligator skin on it.
Yeah, it's some type of skin. I don't know if that's alligator. It looks kind of like a elephant.
Probably.
This would remind me of like an elephant skin, kind of sort of like
another
zoomed
side
out.
that say Dior.
Big facts, no cap.
And then the box says Dior. Dior. Ooh, my bad.
Yo, you gotta remember, you always gotta stay on camera, cause they can't see it down there. So you gotta open it up on camera.
This with the bag. This is the bag that has the bag in it.
And what is this kind of bag called?
Dior.
No, but what kind of, like whenever the bag goes
Dust
in something.
bag.
There we go. There we go. So you just untie this right here. Right there.
Okay.
And then we pull it out. Alright y'all, so let me just say while he pulling it out, I had the hardest time finding this. I wanted this for the longest time and I didn't want to spend the money, and it was $1,500 when I wanted it. And it was just, let me hold it real quick, H. So it was just like a man bag with a strap that went across. And I'm gonna get a little bit more into the bag in a second, but right now I just want to give y'all a little backstory. So when Dior first kind of like started getting back, like being everywhere, like being hot, like super hot again, like I had seen this guy on Instagram. He had the man bag on and a bucket, and I was just like, okay, I need both. But the bucket and the man bag wasn't too different in price. Like, I think the bucket might have been like $900 or like $700, and this was about, in the bag I was looking at the time, it was smaller than this and it was $1,500. There was a crossbody and one on the side. But this one I had to get. So we got the Dior monogram, and then we got like a Dior and like logo like right here at the bottom. Like you see it, and it's not embroidered, it's like a third thing. But one thing I can tell from this bag, already, I've never owned anything with Dior canvas before. Like I have family that does, but it really frays really easily. And for how expensive these bags are, I think that, well, I don't want to, of course expensive is relative, because you got $30,000 bags and you got something that costs $2,000. So this was $1,900. And the reason why I think it's worth it, I'm gonna show you in a second.
Also, you could grab some string and some big fat string like.
Oh, I think I know what you're saying for the straps.
Yeah.
But see, look, but that's what I'm about to show them. Hold on.
You
look.
can make a Fendi pack.
A Fendi pack?
Yeah.
Like then they gave you like the hand things if you want to carry like a clutch. I think that's kind of
like
cool in a way.
Some grass
Or maybe
knuckles.
it's a pen holder. I don't know. I wouldn't imagine it was a pen holder, because it's four things, like 5 things.
Or you could
5
use
fingers.
them and hold it like brass knuckles.
Yeah, like brass knuckles. Yeah, that's tough.
So these are the straps that you could get thick string, so you could put it through there and put it on the other side and make a fanny pack.
Alright, so let me hold it real quick. Alright, so then we have like a logo right here on the zipper, which I always think is cool when they put their logos on zippers. And we got like a pocket. Okay, it's not good that the zipper getting stuck on it. You don't really want the zipper to get stuck on something like this.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I think it's stuck though because the tag is in the inside. So that's probably why. Hold on real quick, each.
Yeah.
Hold on, I got it. So no. Okay, so yeah, so the bag was $1,900, and it's called the Safari Square Pouch with multicolors, etc., etc. And this is the certificate of authenticity. I mean, you could have gave me like a little plastic card like Chanel do.
And this is Dior again.
And then last but not least, with stuff like this, you always want to keep your certificate of authenticity.
They put it in Spanish too, if you're Spanish here.
But you always want to keep your certificate of authenticity, because just in case you ever consider like reselling or even gifting. You know, I don't want nobody give me no fake shit. Wait up, yeah. So, and then on the back is leather. This is cool. It's a dark leather. It doesn't look like the type of leather that will get on your stuff. But what really makes this bag cool, this is the only interesting part. Okay.
We're back.
What really makes the bag cool is the strap. The strap, because mind you, I told you originally, I think it was very similar, 1500, and this one was 19. The reason why this one is so special to me is because, one, to be honest with you, I would never buy a Dior bag, like a Christian Dior bag, without the monogram, especially as a guy, unless it did something more special. Because with stuff like this, it's very temporary in the sense that like you'll wear it for these 3 years and then the brand will like probably like fall out of our eyesight for the next couple of years. But this strap right here was very important to me because all I could think about the strap was, yo, this is why they charging an extra $400. So, and I got this when I was in LA too. Well, not the first time, the second time. And always the dust bag. So this is black. The strap is black, and this is like a navy leather. I'm not sure if it's black or navy. I can never really tell with stuff like this. But the strap just makes it. The straps just makes it everything. All right, so we back, y'all, and I had to try the bag on. I had to finally get the strap on. So I mean, it really just clicks on. It has like a lobster claw click, and it just, you know, clicks right on. And then it just goes on your side like this. I'm gonna kind of back up some. Matter of fact, H, stand up real quick. We're gonna use H as a model. Alright. Sheesh, the dress. Hold up, we got on backwards, I think. Yeah. But bags like this, I'm gonna tell you why they annoy me in just a second, right? You see how the strap keeps flipping on him? Dumb stuff like that annoy me. Hold on. Turn to the side, H.
It's because I'm so little.
No, it's not you. It's just the way bags like this go. When they have like separate straps, I mean, of course you could adjust it. So look, you can make it smaller. That's not the issue. The issue is just the way these bags be made when they got separate straps. Leave it on there.
Look, you could take it off like a lobster claw.
So, I mean, that's pretty much the bag. And just to give you a little bit more specs in reference to purchasing a Dior bag, because it can be very simple and very complicated, because going to the store, purchasing anything from a store now, first of all, I would recommend anytime you can, unless you physically need that item the day of, please purchase online. One, for your safety, because coronavirus is still rampant, and if you aren't, I mean, 9 times out of 10, these are new people you're being around. They aren't, you know, people that you kind of be around often. One, then two, I think to make matters even more important, you get a really hard time in the store. Stores are so, well, you got lines, and then beyond lines, you have, like, this is just a bunch of bullshit. Buy your stuff online if you can. It's a lot of hassle. A lot of those workers lie. Like, I bought a Bottega bag recently, and I wanted it in white, and they told me they didn't have it in white. They said it was sold out all over the country. Goes online, right there. So he got me to buy it. My point is, you really want to be very informed on things you're purchasing. Me, I'm not. But if you're watching this video, I think you're probably the type that likes to be a little bit more informed. So my best advice for you, if you're going to Dior, please try to purchase online if possible. If not, try to get in contact with a really good salesperson who can like put you deep with stuff and won't try to like trick you into buying a product that you aren't interested in, because they still had bags like this without this strap that are $1,500. I would have bought those if I had the option. I would have said, like, this little strap, I just want this little piece. But you know, these people, they work off commission, and I do think that them getting their share is important, but not tricking me as a customer, if that makes sense. But this, I feel like it can go with everything. It could be every day, or it could be like my specialty pull out. Right now, I got me a mean ass collection of bags, because last year I lost like one of the only ones I had for the most part, or one of the only ones I wore. So I'm just like really glad that what's for you is for you, and anything that is taken from you, God will replace it with much better things, much more. Keep working, keep the faith, and stay untouchable. Godspeed. You want to say anything, H?
Peace. And don't forget, this is the next important thing in the set.
Yeah, and tell them like this is how you keep your shit up. But
Yeah.
without the word shit, yeah. That's how you keep your stuff up.
This is how you keep yourself safe and stop messing them up. Be careful for your if you want to get in a lot of trouble if you're a kid and if you mess up your shoes.
Facts, it's parents hate that. Cause kids' shoes be so high. Like y'all shoes cost like for instance, a pair of shoes for you be like a little less than me. But alright, boss stars.